Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life filled with luxury and financial freedom? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to the Millionaires Code, unlocking hidden secrets to unlimited wealth. You see, millionaires aren't just lucky. They possess a set of secrets that have allowed them to build and maintain their wealth. And today, we're going to reveal those secrets to you. Secret 1, mindset. Millionaires have a mindset of abundance. They believe that wealth is within their reach, and they never let negative thoughts hold them back. Secret 2, multiple streams of income. Millionaires understand the power of diversification. They don't rely on a single source of income, but instead, they create multiple streams to ensure financial stability and growth. Secret 3, investments. Millionaires know that money works for them. They don't hoard their wealth. Instead, they invest in opportunities that can create even more wealth over time. Secret 4, continuous learning. Millionaires never stop learning. They understand the importance of staying ahead in a fast-paced world. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with knowledgeable mentors. Secret 5, discipline and consistency. Millionaires have mastered the art of discipline and consistency. They have a clear plan, follow through with it, and stay focused on their financial goals. Unlocking the hidden secrets of millionaires is within your reach. By implementing these strategies, you too can achieve unlimited wealth. It's time to take control of your financial future. Are you ready to become a millionaire? Thank you for watching the Millionaires Code, unlocking hidden secrets to unlimited wealth. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more powerful tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial dreams.